In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mobile-friendly site on WordPress.com. As we all know, having a mobile responsive website is crucial in today's digital world, where a large percentage of web traffic comes from mobile devices. So let's dive into this straightforward process to ensure your site is easily accessible and user-friendly on smaller screens. First, you'll want to head over to WordPress.com, log in. Simply go to your favorite search engine and type in WordPress.com login. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, click on the link labeled Everything You Need to Build Your Website. This will take you directly to the dashboard, where you can access all the tools necessary to manage and optimize your website. After that, make sure you're at the main dashboard page for your WordPress site. Here, click on My Site to get a comprehensive view of your website's settings and customization options. The next step is to select Edit Site. This is where you'll begin making adjustments to ensure mobile compatibility. A vital tool in this process is the Site Editor. Once you open it, look for the View option and select it. Here, you can choose the mobile view to see how your website looks on a mobile device. This is a crucial step in understanding what your audience experiences when they visit your site from their phones or tablets. Now, let's live up to the mobile-friendly promise by customizing the mobile view. Start with the headings. Make sure they're clear, appropriately sized, and visually appealing on small screens. It's essential that headings stand out, as they often guide visitors through your content. Next, work on the body text and pictures. Ensure that your text is easily readable without requiring zooming or excess scrolling. For the images, they should automatically resize to fit the device. This responsiveness is key in providing a seamless user experience. You might also consider minimizing large images to enhance loading times, which is crucial on mobile networks. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, it's time to save all the customization changes you've just made. Click on the Save button to ensure that these settings are applied to your live site. With these steps, you've now transformed your WordPress site into a mobile-friendly one, making it more accessible and enjoyable for users on mobile devices. Not only have you improved the user experience, but these optimizations can also contribute to better search engine rankings, given that search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now ready to cater to users on any device, thanks to a few simple adjustments that go a long way. Thanks for watching, and happy site optimizing.